All right, winter is upon us, and in our family, we like to make this drink. It's very common. It's called fire cider. There's a lot of ways to do it. In fact, it's kind of like a paella where there's a lot of recipes and a lot of ingredients are okay in this. I'm gonna walk you through ours, okay? What you need is a little mason jar. And then obviously fresh stuff's great, but if you can't get it, you can't get it. So I'm using ground turmeric. Now, by the way, everything going in this, it's going in for a reason. It's either powerfully anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antifungal, anti-parasite, antiviral. It's good for the circulation. That was turmeric, great anti-inflammatory. This is cinnamon. Cinnamon is really good for managing your blood sugar, among other things. Cayenne pepper, amazing for circulation. Black pepper, excuse me, baby. This is great for helping these other nutrients actually get into your body. All right, what's next? Let's get some lemons here. A lot of benefits again, vitamin C. We got herbs, rosemary, thyme going in. We have garlic, very powerful antiviral, antimicrobial. You think so, dude? You want to taste? Next, fresh horseradish. I wouldn't try prepared horseradish. I've never tried that. So if you can't get this ginger, like horseradish root, I would stay away from it. Got 2 of these going in. Want to see how fresh it is? I'm gonna do it. Oh, no regrets. Fresh ginger. I'm gonna do this one too. Very spicy. We have jalapenos. You can use any chilies you want, really. I almost bought habaneros, but I've never tested how bad that is. So I didn't do it. Jalapenos in. And half of an onion. Onion's got some remarkable qualities to it. And then what you do is you top it off with apple cider vinegar. Now you want the apple cider vinegar to be organic, and you want it to have the mother in it too. That's gonna add some nice probiotics, and it's gonna help this bad boy ferment. You top it off, seal her up, and you want to keep this on the counter or like maybe in a closet for 3 to 6 weeks. I've done both. I don't think it makes that much of a difference to me, so 3 weeks is good. And then what you do at the end is you filter, you strain all the stuff out, and then you add honey to your liking, so as sweet as you want it. If you're making this for kids, which this one's the grown-up version, I would definitely take out the jalapenos and maybe the onion and add more honey. The kids might like it, but then you just kind of take it as a shot every day. I like to take it before meals because apple cider vinegar is really good at stabilizing your blood sugar. So if you're gonna have a big meal, take it like 10 minutes before. All right, that's fire cider. See you next time.